So in this video I'm going to show you how you replace the blue auto leveling sensor. If you have the blue one, then you want to change it to the orange one, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. You should disassemble this, and then let's see how it works. And first of all, you have to remove the ABL sensor cable and totally remove the sensor. Disassemble and reassemble it, the new one. I mean, mount the new one and re-level the bed or adjust the orange sensor. I don't think it takes more than 5 or 6 minutes. From where the sensor is mounted to the edge of this orange part, the distance has to be 32 millimeter. You can measure it by a ruler, and then you can go and just tighten it a little bit, not too tight, and plug the cable on the splitter board, and then as you see, just can rotate the couplers and try to find the best distance between the nozzle and the print bed, which is about as thick as a A4 paper. So just make sure that would be the same in all over the print bed. This is almost the best distance you can find. This is the proper one, and then you turn on the printer. You turn on the printer and try to tighten the sensor, and as soon as you get the light on, then leave and try to tighten the knot from here. Just rotate it, and as soon as you get the light on, alright, so rotate it back, and then you can tighten it from this knot here. Alright, that is very important. As soon as you get the light on, then just leave it and try to tighten it from here, and it kind of saves the distance from the between the nozzle and the print bed. And check. So you can see the sensor does identify the proper distance now, and once you do it properly, I can almost guarantee you don't have to do it at least for a long time. So